Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and permissions. This gets you past avoidable roadblocks. You must log into an admin account and enable 2FA if required, because secure enrollment prevents later failures. Once done, pick the monitoring scope so data collection aligns with objectives, apps, URLs, screenshots, or uptime. Next, install the monitoring agent and immediately grant screen and accessibility permissions. Without them, the tool cannot capture what you need. Make sure storage and network access are allowed for uploads. You now configure the agent to match your goals and infrastructure. This is the most detailed stage. Begin by setting sampling and capture frequency. Choose real-time for incident response or 5min for performance balance. Once done, create filters to exclude private apps and add keyword alerts or thresholds so only meaningful events trigger notifications. Next, map each device to user accounts, groups, and labels to streamline reporting and apply policies consistently. Make sure retention and storage limits are appropriate. You finish by validating the entire flow with an end-to-end test so data integrity is proven. Simulate user actions, generate screenshots, and confirm alerts reach dashboards and exports. Once done, enable scheduled reports and set retention. Make sure time sync and backups are configured to avoid drift and data loss. If problems occur, check the agent logs, confirm permissions and firewall rules, and verify system time. One key tip: reinstall the agent only after rule and policy verification to avoid repeating configuration steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.